We got a question from Laird. Great. What are your thoughts on approaching B2B companies to convert their product pages to e-commerce pages?
So, like, what are their product pages now? Just so I understand. Like, what are they, like, are they just, there's pages about their products, but they're not actually selling them on their site? Like, do you mean B2B for e-com? I guess I need more context. You want to bring Laird in? Go ahead,
Yeah,
Sabah.
I was going to say, I'm guessing it's going to be like a product page, like an Amazon listing page, you know, where they have the bullets and then maybe some copy with a short, very short description of what it is versus a full like lander.
Yeah, if it's B2B though, it's kind of interesting. Laird, do you want to actually like let Laird, Laird, I'm gonna allow you to talk. Can you give more context, Laird? Cool. I just brought you up so you can talk. There you go.
How about now? Can you hear me?
Hey, what's up? Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? I don't have video at the moment. Sort of donated, not donated, but lent my laptop out to a family who had a couple of kids. So just audio for a moment. Okay, what I'm trying to do is the B2B e-com space is a space I believe has some opportunities there, because most of the time B2B sales are done more on a one-to-one basis between the vendor with their, it tends to be a long-term type of relationship where, you know, these products are like, could be high-end products or different type of products, because once a customer, like I can't take an example, because I come from the publishing market. So an example would be someone who buys various supplies from a company, all right? So the company brings out new products and new versions of specific supplies that they use. But the way they sell them is they use a company, like a brochure with a bunch of specs on it with features and benefits. And it just has a couple of pictures and a whole list of features and benefits like in bullet form that they would give. Now, with them not able to go to each other and just download this PDF, what I'm thinking is doing a sales funnel whereby you connect with them via email, that you could do more of a relationship promotional buying offer, but you send them to an e-commerce page instead of a simple product page that looks like a PDF. So, understand where I'm going with this?
Yeah, overall, I mean, what kind of price point are these products?
I mean, these products are run anywhere from, I'd say, could be as much as from 100 to 500 US.
Got you. Good.
You know, I'm leaving wide open because I'm going from that area I'm talking about. I come from a very strong publishing background, like 30 years as a technical support and, you know, and everything else. So, you know, but I'm not going to the publishing industry. I'm opening it up to any industry that I'm just looking to see what if there are opportunities out there to do this type of thing in other industries. It's not just specifically the publishing industry.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I think you can test it. You know, it's hard. I mean, I think people, like, there's kind of a reason people haven't done it that way, because you need a lot of relationship and like usually it's getting on the phone and stuff like that. Yeah. So, but you know, $100 to $500 price point. I mean, I think the big thing was, you know, still be building relationships and like, because like you can have your e-com oriented page, but to your point, like, you know, some like email marketing sequences and things like that. But I think, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know why it couldn't work. I wouldn't put all my eggs in that basket or anything like that. But I think if you want to try like an MVP and like test it, I mean, I think it'd be, you know, I'd be interested to see how it does. I don't know. Anyone else have anything to add from our panel?
Yeah, I think if they're doing the brochure thing, you know, where they just basically download a PDF and it's sort of like a catalog of the different products, then maybe you can just enhance the catalog listings, right? So maybe they just need more copy, more descriptions, more images, just a better showcase or presentation. And you could put that on a lander instead of doing it in a PDF form. I'm not sure.
That's the idea.
Yeah,
exactly what I'm thinking of, because your Ecomm training, that
yeah,
resonated directly with my DNA with structure and mixing in the direct response copy, you know?
right. And those are more designed for, like paid traffic. It's an actual funnel page. So you're running traffic to something that, they don't know about. There's no relationship. Like these people, these leads have probably talked to a sales rep or something like that. So what you really need is
Yes.
it's more like an offer page. So an attractive looking presentation and not necessarily that e-com layout. I mean, you could still have, different benefits and things like that, but it may not be that same layout, if that makes sense.
Oh, I see. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Think more along, I think more along the lines of just like an enhanced landing page, that kind of showcases all the products in a creative way.
Okay. Thanks much.
Okay.
Cool. Awesome.